Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you.
All right, very good. My dear students, in the previous session, we were understanding. We have watched the movie, the video about, sorry, not the movie, the video about the Pied Piper of Hamelin. So we have understood the story. Yeah.
No, ma'am, we didn't watch the video.
Ah, yes. Okay, no worries. So, would you like to watch it now? We can do one thing. We will complete the explanation of the lesson and then we will do that. Because anyway, we have done it only half. So, let us complete that and then I will show you the video. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, good. So, let us just start from the beginning. I will just make you understand it once again in brief, in short, and then we will continue with the rest. I want Abel Sijo to unmute his device and start reading. Yes, Abel, come on.
Ma'am,
From the beginning, my dear. Beginning.
once upon a time, the evening began
Yeah. Yes, Abel, continue. Others, mute your devices.
and was filled with rats.
Hmm.
There
Hmm. Ran, R-A-N, ran.
ran
Hmm. Everywhere. They ran everywhere and ate up.
eat up all,
Ate up, not eat up. Ate up.
ate up all the food.
Okay.
The
The people
people
were
were
so
so
troubled. Troubled. Troubled.
troubled
That.
that
That.
went
They went
to the mayor.
to the mayor. Okay. Continue.
About the rats.
Okay.
The
They. Not the. They.
they
B-E-G-G-E-D. Begged.
they begged.
They begged.
Just then.
Just then.
Just then.
Hmm?
A man.
Oh, tall man. Tall man.
Tall man.
Yes. Just then, a tall man
Just then, a tall man
entered.
entered.
Okay. After that,
He went.
he was W-E-A-R-I-N-G. Wearing. He was wearing.
He was wearing a long coat.
Sorry?
Long
coat.
coat.
C-O-A-T. Coat.
Coat. Then
long coat. Then continue.
Then was
If you're not able to read any particular word, try to read its spelling.
H-A-L-F.
Half. H-A-L-F. Half.
Purple and
Half purple and half blue. Half purple and half blue.
I am the pipe.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough, my dear. Okay. Thank you, Abel. Good. So in the first paragraph of the lesson, we understand that the story is about the city of Hamelin, which was filled with rats. And these rats used to run everywhere. And apart from that, they ate up all the food available in the city. The people were so troubled. They were very much disturbed. And to keep themselves free, make themselves free of the situation, they went to the mayor to ask for help. A mayor means the head of a particular city. The mayor is the head of the city. And they begged. To beg means to request again and again, to request multiple times, many times. And they begged and asked the mayor to do something about the rats. Just then, as the people of the city were talking to the mayor, at that time, a tall man entered. Tall means a man who has very good height. He was wearing a long coat that was half purple and half blue. Zara, unmute your device and tell me, what color was the coat worn by the Pied Piper? What color was the coat worn by the Pied Piper? What color? Zara is not paying attention
Blue.
nowadays. Was it completely blue? Was it completely blue in color?
Purple and blue.
Yes, that was half purple and half blue. It was a combination of two colors, half purple and half blue. Okay, Zara, thank you. Then, Bill Saju, please continue reading from I Am the Pied Piper.
I have a secret charm by which I can get rid of the rats. It will cost 1,000 coins, he said. The mayor agreed.
Fantastic. Continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
Continue.
The piper took out his pipe and started playing a merry tune. All the rats came running out of the houses. He sat on the riverside playing his tune. The rats ran into the water and drowned. The mayor was greedy and refused to pay the money.
Okay, well done. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. So, the Pied Piper replied. He introduced himself. He said, I am the Pied Piper. I have a secret charm. A secret charm means magical, something magical. It can either be a magical tune or maybe some magical words as well, by which I can get rid of. These words are to be read together. Get rid of. It means to make someone free of a trouble. The trouble can be of any kind. Get rid of means to make someone free of a trouble or free from a trouble. And he said he will be able to get rid of, make everybody free of the trouble caused by the rats. But he said that the charges will be 1,000 coins. The cost for doing that work, the charges for doing that particular work is 1,000 coins. The Pied Piper said, all the people of the city of Hamelin was in such a big trouble because of the rats. So the mayor agreed. Agreed means to say, yes, I agree. I have the same opinion as you. He said, yes, it's fine. I'll pay you 1,000 coins. Hearing that, the piper took out his pipe. My dear students, this is the pipe. It's a musical instrument which plays music and started playing a merry tune. The meaning of the word merry is happy. Merry means happy, happy tune. And all the rats, when they heard the happy tune, all of them came running out of their houses. Aradhya, where were the rats hiding? Where were the rats hiding in the city of Hamelin? Aradhya Pradeep, where were the rats hiding?
Houses.
Inside the houses. Say it completely. Inside the houses. And when they heard the happy tune played by the piper, all of them came running out of the houses. The piper continued playing the happy tune and he was walking. He was continuously walking as well. He went and sat on the riverside. Riverside means the sides of a river, playing his tune. The rats also ran into the water. The rats were mesmerized. They were magical. The tune was magical. So all of the rats were following, going behind the Pied Piper. They also went into the water and drowned. What is the meaning of drowned? Who can tell me the meaning of drowned? Anthony, do you remember the meaning of drowned? What is the meaning of drowned?
No.
You don't remember?
No.
Okay, no worries. I'll tell. Anybody else remembers? Drowned means? What is the meaning of drowned? Drowned. Drowned means?
In the water.
To die in the water. Yes, drowned means to die in the water. Okay, very good. But after this happened, everybody was very happy. They had got rid of, they were free from the trouble caused by the rats. Everybody was happy, but the mayor was greedy. Greedy means to want more and more and more all the time. That too, to keep for himself. He didn't want to share the money or give the money to others for their work. And he wanted to keep all the money, everything with him for himself, and refused to pay the money to the piper. Refused means to say no. Refused means to say no, I will not give you the money, he said to the piper. Let us see what happened then. Malavika, continue reading. Malavika, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read.
Then the piper played other tune. This time all the children came running out. They followed the piper to the mountain. A door opened in the mountain and they went inside. Then the door closed. The people was horrified.
The people were horrified.
The people were horrified. They went to the mayor. All the children are gone. Please do something. They begged.
They begged.
They begged.
Yes.
The mayor paid the piper his money. The piper played yet another tune.
Yet another
tune. And the children came back to their thankful parents.
And the children came back to their thankful parents. Okay, good, Malavika. Thank you. Good effort.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So when the mayor did not agree to pay the money to the piper started playing another tune. First, he played the happy tune, the merry tune, and this time he played another tune. And this time, all the children came running out. When he played the first tune, who all came running out of the houses?
The rats.
All the rats. And this time, for the second tune, all the children of the city of Hamlin came running out. And they followed the piper to the mountain. To follow means, what is the meaning of follow? To follow means
Somebody.
to go behind somebody. To go behind somebody. All the children followed the piper. Where did the piper take them? To the mountain. Yes, all the children followed the piper to the mountain. A door in the mountain opened, and all these children went inside. When the piper saw that all the children have gone inside, he closed the door. In the video, it is shown that the piper is closing the door with the help of a big rock. So finally, the door was closed and all the children were inside the mountain. The people were horrified. Horrified means shocked. They didn't know what to do. And once again, they went to the mayor. They had no idea. The people of the city had no idea where their children were. So definitely they will get worried, right? They were shocked, horrified. And they went to the mayor and said, all the children are gone. Please do something. Yes, who's calling?
Someone has joined now.
It's okay, my dear. We are understanding the lesson. Okay? If you have any doubts, you can ask me from the
Which
portion that we
lesson?
have covered.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The people were shocked, horrified, and they went to the mayor and they said, all the children are gone. They are not to be seen. Please do something. We need our children back. Once again, they begged and requested multiple times to the mayor. The mayor understood his mistake. He realized his mistake and paid the piper his money. And once he got the money, the piper played yet another tune. Yet another tune. The third type of tune. And all the children came back to their thankful parents. Why is the word thankful used here? Why is the word thankful used here? Who can tell?
Nice.
Nice. No, thankful. What does it mean? Thankful. Thankful. What does it mean? The piper played yet another tune and the children came back to their thankful parents. Okay, tell me one thing. Whom were the people thankful to? Whom were the people thankful to?
Piper.
To the piper. Yes, you're right. Why? Why? Why were the people thankful to the piper?
Because they get the children back.
Because he was the one who got the children back to the parents.
Parents.
So the parents were thankful to whom? To the piper. To the piper. For getting the children back to their parents. I hope everybody has understood the story now.
Yes.
Okay. I request everybody to
Yes.
take their page number 14. Page number 14 of the literature textbook. Now we will just write down the meanings of a few selected words. I want all of you to write with me.
Ma'am.
Yeah, we have already discussed. The first one, Maya, I'm going to ask you. You have to tell me. Keep your devices muted. Arav, tell me who's a mayor? Mayor. Mayor. What is the meaning of the word mayor?
The head of the city.
The head of a city. Say it again.
Man, this you that of the city. Man, this you write to the group.
I want all the students to write with me now. I will be sending it in the group, but I request you to write now. The head of a city. The mayor is the head of a city. Prithvi, can you tell me the meaning of the word pied? P-I-E-D, pied. Pied. The second word, pied. Prithvi, unmute. What is the meaning of pied? What happened? Unmute. Yeah, pied. What is the meaning of pied?
Of
Pied. Of what, my dear? Of?
different colors.
Yes, of different colors. Of different colors.
Colors.
Colors. Of different colors. COLOURS. Pied means of different colors. I'll be sending it in the group. Pied means of different colors. If anybody is facing network issues or something, don't worry. I'll be sending the same thing in the group. So you may complete that time also. Ishan Krishna, unmute your device and tell me the meaning of secret charm. Secret charm. Sorry?
Magic power.
Okay. We can write it as magical words as well. Magical words. WORDS. Secret charm means magical words. Magical words. Okay, very good, Ishan. Thank you. Then the next word is drowned. Ansel, try to tell me the meaning of drowned. Drowned.
Water.
Sorry?
Died water.
Died underwater, my dear.
Died
Underwater. Yeah. Died.
in underwater.
Died underwater. Died underwater. Okay, very good answer. Thank you. Samanvaya, try the next one. Refused. What is the meaning of refused?
I joined late.
It's okay, refused. That is why I am asking you, so that you can ask me if you have any doubts. Try. Refused. The mayor refused to pay the money. I'll give you two clues. Is it say yes or say no?
Not ready.
Not ready. Yes. See, you gave the answer. But this is in past tense form. REFUSED. Words which have ED. Most of the words that have ED at the end are the past tense forms. So refused means said no. SAID. Said no. NO. Understood, Samanvaya?
Ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Good effort. Said no. Refused means said no. Okay. Then Devananda, try the next one. Horrified. What do you understand by the word horrified? Horrified. We discussed this just now. Horrified. 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 When the children did not come back to their homes in the evening, all the parents, their parents were horrified.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes? Yes, Afia? Horrified means?
Scared.
Not scared, my dear. Shocked.
Short.
Shocked. SHOCKED. Shocked.
Ma'am.
S, yeah? S-H-O-C-K-E-D. Shocked.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good girl. Thank you.
Have I completed?
Yeah. Don't say I completed, I did this, that. Don't say that.
Consider completed.
Okay. Just now I said no need to say that. Those who have completed, just check whether you have written the spellings correctly or not.
And we have to write the notebook. In the next section, you will check our notebooks.
Which one? This you have to write and learn in the literature notebook, as we always do. Okay?
ma'am.
Yeah. Now you have to write in the textbook only.
Okay, ma'am.
That I will be instructing you what to do, how to do. Then you can do accordingly, okay? There are some students, I can see they are still writing, so I'll give some more time. I want everybody to write neatly. Ashil, did you complete writing?
One is the mare rose.
Yeah, keep your devices muted, others. Do you have any doubts from this part?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Sure? Okay. I can still see some of the students are sitting and writing. Okay. Anton Minto, switch on the video. Devananda. Devananda, unmute your device and tell me the meaning of mayor. Hmm?
Of a city.
The head of a city. The head of a city. Repeat.
The head of
The head of
a city.
a city. Okay, okay, very good.
Head
Okay.
of a
City.
city.
Okay, very good, my dear. Sivanedya, what is the meaning of pied? Pied. Pied. Sivanedya, what is the meaning of pied?
Of different color.
Of different colors. Of different colors.
I can hear you.
Of different colors. Okay. Sahasra, unmute your device. Sahasra, can you hear me? Sahasra. Sahasra, Anmia Regal, Devadarsh. Switch on the camera. Yeah, Devadarsh, tell me the meaning of pied. Pied. Hide.
colors.
Of different colors. Yeah, there is no need to switch off the camera. Okay, that is not allowed.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Veda, tell me the meaning of secret charm. Secret charm.
Magic words.
Magic or magical?
Magical words.
Magical words. Okay. Ashif, unmute your device. Tell me the meaning of drowned.
Died under water.
Died underwater. Died underwater. Okay. Anna Princeton, what is the meaning of refused? Refused.
You.
Refused. What is the meaning? Refused. What is the meaning of refused?
Said no.
Said no. Yes, refused means said no.
Said no.
Okay, Anna. Ashil, what is the meaning of horrified?
Shock.
Spelling?
SHOCK.
ED. Shocked. Shocked.
Shock.
Say it once again. The meaning of horrified?
Shock.
Spelling?
SHOCKE.
SHOCKED. Okay. So, my dear student, yes, Devananda? Yeah, I'll be sending the same notes in the group. At that time, if you have missed out something, you may please check and complete from there. Okay, Devananda? Don't worry. I'll be sending it in the evening. All right. So, my dear students, it is time for me to wind up the session. I'll be sending you the instructions how you need to write and learn in the literature notebook. Please follow the instructions. We will meet in the next class. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.